Hello everyone, today I am going to be crashing the Sony VAIO. Yeah, so this is a really old computer. You know, Sony used to make laptops, they don't anymore. But I'm going to be crashing it, and this thing's running Windows 8, so it might as well crash anyway. But we're going to crash this with command prompt. So this laptop is so small that this is the best you're gonna get here. As far as I can see, there's a VGA cable, but my TV doesn't have VGA. So you're gonna get some point of view action over here, guys. Alright, so we gotta crash this computer. So first things first, what are we gonna do to crash it? I know this is an extremely low quality video, but you know, we're going to make a text document. I'll just say S. And I'll go ahead and zoom in trivially here. I don't know, you can't really see anything. This is an extremely low quality video, but now we're going to actually build our little crash thing. So first thing I want to do is set start. That is a must. If we're actually going to crash this, we have to have a start. So I'm going to go all the way down here. Let's go in command prompt real quick. Yep. Okay. Let's do help. Let's go to set. Slash question mark. I can't really type with this laptop. It's so small. And I used to use this thing for a while. This thing is very small. Okay. Set. I don't know if I have to do spaces, but I guess I will for set var. Okay. Set var equals before. Hold on, is that in quotes? Yes, it is. I'm a mess in this video, I know. It's probably really bad, but trust me, you'll get entertained here in a little bit. Skip around if you like. Alright, set var. Man, this keyboard sucks so bad. Oh my gosh. I didn't want to put my mouse in here because, I don't know. I don't want some kind of malware. Set before. Oh, set var equals before. Wow, all that work just to put before. And I think that says if okay, percent var percent equals before. Okay. And then set var equals after. Okay, let me copy this. After Jesus, this is a joke. after, and then that's going to be the command. Okay. And then we just go right here. Oh, this is wrong. Now we go right here and we put alright, so we have this, and we're going to change this up a bit now. We're going to set this var to keyword percent keyword and percent keyword if keyword. And these can stay. Alright. So we're going to put go to start. Now this is going to keep looping over and over and over and over again. It will never stop looping. And let's just put a little message here. You are about to crash your computer. And let's go ahead and put at pause. Say that way. When we click, instantly the carnage will begin. Alright, so we have this. Let's set our actual thing. So I believe on here the most intensive program would be Google Chrome. I do recall using Google Chrome many times on this thing, and it would be pretty hectic. So we're going to do Google Chrome, but I have Xlink Kai here, which also on this little tiny little computer will actually cause issues. And I'm not trying to sound like I'm some computer guy and just saying this laptop sucks. And we're just doing a simple command prompt thing here, so this is not really anything scientific. It's just entertainment. But let me go through my laptop here. And if I go, which one is it? Oh well, this doesn't even have the other. No, I'm probably getting in the camera here. Xlink Kai, where are you? There you are. Alright. Hey, there you are. Okay, which one of these? Either one of these is going to be a hectic issue for us here. Alright, so now we have that. Let me close out command prompt because I just had to get the little command here to set this up. Alright, so we have this, but I'm gonna do a little something funny here. So we're gonna do start C / and we're gonna put a copy of this program. We're just gonna call it crash.cmd. And we'll worry about this later. So I'm going to go ahead and put, and what this is going to do is, I'm going to save this over in the C drive. And what this is going to do is we're going to replicate this guy here. So if we do this 20 times, and this is going to be sad and destructive pretty quickly. So hang in there, kids. We're going to do about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry, 6. Sorry, I'm a little. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 20. Alright, so we have about 20 of these guys now. So let me clean this up here. So what this is going to do... Actually, I probably need to do cmd.exe or something. I don't know if it'll actually run it by itself. I believe it would. I can't find where I'm going. Oh, shoot. Okay. Keep cleaning this up. Keep it going, nothing to it. Okay. All right. I probably need to do start cmd.exe, so let me pop that. I'm pretty sure, let me see. CMD. Well, it just runs command prompt if I put CMD. Okay. So if I put CMD c:/mom.cmd. Okay, it didn't find mom.cmd, but if I just did c:/start cmd mom.cmd and c:/. I just don't remember if it'll. Okay, it'll do it. You see, it'll do it. I think it'll do it. Okay, so we got start, CMD, and then the location. So we're just gonna go ahead and, not very scientific here. We just go pop and all these. Oh shoot. I'm a little messy. Alright, this better work first time, because I don't even know if this would work. I did something, I was messing around with the set thing, I was bored, and I accidentally made it reopen itself, but now I had this idea. The idea was given unto me to use the same thing. I'm sure there's a simpler way of doing this, but I guess for entertainment I'll drag it out, make it look like it's something cool. Alright, so I mean, the more text we put in, the more it's gotta do. I mean, again, this is a Sony VAIO running Windows 8, so any little, even command prompt can be a hassle for some reason, so any bit of extra language repeating over and over again should do the trick. Actually, I should probably get rid of this pause here, because then it's going to not repeat itself. So I'm just going to keep your crash. Alright, your computer is going to crash. Your computer is going to crash. No more about. We're just getting to it. We're just getting to it. Alright, so your computer is going to crash, and then all this junk. And then we need to probably break this up. I don't know if it's... Alright, so what do we do now? You're probably thinking. Well, now that I have all this junk here, I'm not going to have a problem replicating. So really all I need to do at this point is tell this to start chrome.exe, and then we should copy this and then start xlink chi, and then the xlink chi web UI and all the other thing that, you know. So we're just gonna go in. For this we gotta get the directory here, details. We gotta get the
See program files. I'm just going to copy this 3 times over here into our little fun, cheesy little kiddie script program here. And the reason why I picked Xlink Kai is, yeah, it can be a little it can do some damage to this laptop, I would know. Xlink Kai is for playing Xbox online. It's like a LAN thing. Yeah, it'll it'll make this computer run pretty bad. It's not meant to, but you know, it's just what it's gonna do, because this is a potato. This is a paperweight potato, you know, whatever you want to call it. And then this is KaiUI.exe. Alright, so KaiUI.exe. And these programs aren't made to crash your computer, by the way. It's just a little... I don't know what would happen if we just kept opening these over and over and over again. That's what we're about to find out here. And this computer is no longer needed, and service has been finished. So, yep, we're gonna probably crash it right now after we do this. So, we have 3 things here. Chrome, which is going to use a lot, Xlink Kai, and Kai Engine. So, at this point, we already have this. So, what's going to happen here, hopefully, if it doesn't glitch out? Once we start this, it's going to replicate that. It's going to replicate itself 20 times, 21 times over, and then it's going to keep looping and running this. So, every time it loops, it's going to run 20 more of itself, which is going to run 3 of these guys over and over again. It is a mess. It will be a mess. So it's just going to keep replicating itself. So hopefully we did this properly. So I just need to find it again right here. So we're going to Control Shift S here. We're going to save this. Oh, wait. Okay, that doesn't work for this. Sorry. I'm way ahead of this right now for some reason. Thinking this is a different program, or yeah. All right, right here, we're just gonna save it here. We're gonna call it crash.cmd, and I'm pretty sure we set that to crash.cmd. So if I save that to crash, yeah, what's wrong? Yeah, okay. Oh, I can't save it. Oh, well, that's just going to break everything. Oh, that's just going to break everything. Would you like to save the little... Okay. New idea. Because apparently this says... This doesn't want me to go here. So we're just going to... Man, extra work! Oh, man. Okay. R. Just call it R. R. The only thing now that I have to do... Well, I have to go back in here. And I have to add the folder because it wouldn't let me. So, R. We gotta put R's here. That's just a quick folder I gave it, R/, so it wouldn't let me save it to the root main folder. So we're just gonna go R/R/R/. And this is just script kiddie stuff. This isn't like some kind of, well, hacker man or something. It's just I'm just bored making this video. I'm not some kind of awesome programmer. If some little kid watching this is thinking that, or some guy that's good at programming is thinking that I think I'm good at programming, because I'm not. So this is script kiddie overload right now. This is command prompt. Alright, so this is gonna officially begin I think right now. So, first expectation, it's probably gonna not do anything. It's probably gonna close really quickly because I made a mistake. So, let's go to R. All right. Do we do it or not? We do it. All right, let's see what happens. Come on. Yep. I think it's happening. Is it happening? Is it happening? Did it happen or not? No, it didn't happen. Dang it. All right. There's a mistake in here. It was happening for a second, and then it decided to not work. I think what's wrong here is I think something's wrong here. Here, yeah, look, see? This saved my computer from crashing. All right. I see. All right, so this is the only thing that kept us here from experiencing. So you see, I knew I'd make a mistake, but now that I see the mistake, it's going to get pretty hectic. You already saw the first few seconds of it operating, so it's going to get a little crazy here. All right, this is it. This is it. This is going to keep replicating itself. It's going to be beautiful, kiddos. Here we go. Script kitty crash. All right, come on. Come on, don't tell me I screwed up again. Did I screw up again or what? I have no idea what is going on right now. It says crash.cmd is not an internal or external command. Oh boy. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Because this computer is going to crash anyway, even though this is not what I wanted. It's not the same crash, but it's still just as effective. So when this thing crashes, I might actually do this again. Because I think I can make it even more. Yeah, it's still working. It's still doing its thing right now. So, oh gosh, it's not as effective. I can't tell you. Well, it keeps opening and closing these right now, so I can't tell you how much it's probably having a painful day right now. So let's try and Control C on all these guys. We gotta try and cancel the main guy. Do you see that main guy that's running everything right now? Yeah, we need to cancel him. All right, come on. Let's get to you. Come on. Control C. Unless all these are still running the... Oh, wait, are they still running it? They might all still be running it. Alright, so we can at least operate this. Alright, so we can operate... Maybe? No? We can? I don't think we can operate here. Oh, wait, I'm opening it. I'm dumb. Alright, so we can. No, we can't. Oh, I just opened 3 of them. Alright, we gotta shut this down. Alright, hold on. Hold on, kiddos. This isn't it. This is gonna, not do anything. So let me shut this down. Oh, my gosh. Alright, let me shut this down. Yeah, it's happening. Alright. So I'm going to turn this computer back on. Okay. We're going to fix that problem. We got one chance to fix this. You have one simple little chance to fix this. Local disk. Alright, R. Edit. Alright, here we go. Alright, everything's here. This was the problem. One of these was the problem that kept, CMDRC. Yeah, because it wasn't running the actual program, I don't think. I have also noticed that we can actually fix this. I think I made a fatal mistake earlier. I pretty much did what I was trying to accomplish first time around in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I just wanted to try and make this look a little more cool and complicated, so we're gonna go ahead and eliminate all the stuff we did earlier. And we're gonna do the simple method because something's wrong with. Actually, wait, maybe not. I don't know. Let's just keep it just for the heck of causing mayhem. The more computations, the better. We're also gonna put this. So we're gonna put these guys up here. And then for every one of these, we're gonna have one of these guys, and all this junk here. So, here we go. All right, it's gonna happen. So, okay, maybe we're not getting rid of all this stuff. We're gonna keep it. All right. There we go. Hope you all are ready. I hope you all are ready here for this amazing event in human history. Alright, we're going to run the first one here and let it go. It's not telling us what it's doing because I put it all in ats, I think. So it's just saying your computer is going to crash really quick and then everything else is invisible. So, yep, it's beginning. It's beginning. You saw something's popping up here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and close. Actually, no, just keep it. Yeah, it's frozen. Cursor's frozen. Alright, it's happening. Yeah. Okay, it's happening pretty fast. See, I told you it'd be fruitful. You see, the first one I was doing, it was doing its work, but right now, the last one, I shouldn't even be able to move my cursor right here. I'm frozen. All the computer is doing right now is running command prompt over and over and over again, and then the Google Chrome, and then the Excellent Kai stuff. So I can't even imagine what is going on with the computer right now after this, because now it's actually just running its course, and then all that junk text is probably making it do extra work. I don't know how many command prompts are open right now. I mean, 21 per load over and over again, and then it opens 21 more, and then that opens 21 more. So it's just a mess. It's this I don't know how many command prompts could be open right now. I can't do anything. So it's only a matter of time before it at this point it's pretty much locked here. As simple as that. There's nothing you can really do. This is locked up. Alright, as you can see, the cursor is kind of moving, so there's some kind of... You could theoretically turn this computer off pretty easily right now, but we're going to let this run its course and just see what happens right now. Let's feel and see if this is getting hot. It's not even hot yet. Not even close to being hot. I don't think this would be able to destroy a computer, though. It's really just freezing it, really, honestly. Yeah, it's getting a little messy there. It's getting a bit messy. So it's just going to keep replicating and replicating. So, you know. Wow. That hourglass is just filling up right now on both sides. Wow. Dang. It's not even trying to do it can't really, because it's, look, everything's frozen here. It's only going to get worse, actually, than it is going to get better. It's going to get worse. It's only going to get worse than it is going to get better. I don't know what would happen if, I don't know if it's still doing things, or is it actually just locked up here. But it seems like whatever little motion we had is now gone, and it's probably going to start popping my cursor around in about like 2 minutes or so. Yeah, okay, well, it's a pop. So all the computer is being taken up by command prompt, and I'm pretty sure there should probably be a lot of Google Chromes, so I would expect here in a little bit, with some patience, I could probably expect that there's probably going to be some Google Chromes popping up on the screen, but I wouldn't expect it to show up. You know, all the stuff is running right now, but I wouldn't expect it to show up, because anything graphical right now is broken. As you can see, look, right here, where's the command prompt tag? It's not there, so anything graphical is probably not gonna happen. So it's just kinda, it's feeling, yeah, it's getting hot. This might overheat. No, I'm kidding. Can't overheat this. I could, maybe, I don't know. Give enough time. Wow. Amazing. Okay, so my cursor is nowhere to be found. I don't even know what cursor exists anymore. Yeah, there it is. I don't know what's going on, is there? My cursor just disappeared again. Do we want to try and do something? Control delete when doing it. I got some more movement going on here. I'm wondering why Xlink Kai and all that isn't open, but maybe it is, and there's probably like 1,000 of them open or something, I don't know, because it's just replicating itself right now. That's what it's doing. It's just replicating command prompt over and over and replicating itself. So it's kind of a junk right now. Eesh. So I wouldn't think. I think really the only thing the computer's concerned about right now is command prompt. It's probably just running that. But I would expect there's probably a ton of Google Chromes going on right now. I want to see this crash like a blue screen, but I don't know how much work you have to do to get to that point. I wouldn't really know. I think if it's doing this, it probably, I don't know, there's probably no room for a stop error. It would probably just stay frozen at a certain point, because it's getting worse and worse at this point by the looks of it. The cursor's flicking around all over the place. You know what? The cursor might not even be following my movements at this point. I mean, I'm moving it, but it's probably going in different directions, because it's probably not even, it's probably so caught up right now that that's probably getting messed up. Eventually something is going to happen. because you can't have too many of these on a Sony VAIO that's already running Windows 8. I wouldn't think you'd have enough room to breathe with anything going on. Of course, it's just not as much action as you'd probably be wanting to see. Oh my gosh, the cursor is... Yeah, it's actually progressing right now. This program is progressing. You want to know why? Earlier I could move my cursor around. I can't even see my cursor. I can't even... I've been moving around a bunch. So eventually, after a while, it's going to pop around. But it's been a long time and it's not been popping around. So the cursor is it's actually broken. I've seen some more command prompts are showing up here. So anything graphical is all these command prompts right now. That's all this computer is concerned about. Just a bunch of command prompts. And any Chrome, anything Chrome is probably doing a bit of damage. Because imagine how many tabs are being opened right now as we speak. I mean, I can't see it, but evidently I know it's doing it because I put it in there to go open Chrome, and it's probably repeated that by 21 per, it's just going back and forth right now. None of these are closing. None of these can close. The only thing these things are doing right now is starting the program and then replicating itself 21 times and then restarting that again. So any one of these could be responsible for, I don't know how many are running at this point. It's impossible to tell, but it's probably at least almost in the thousands because of the rate that we have here. I could have a faster, setup here. If I did 100 or 1,000 units per run, it would probably be chaos. But let's see what 21 does. I think I made a mistake by not doing more. And whoa. Okay, I don't know. Let's see. You see that? All right, first sign of the times. Sign of the times. It's given up right now. All the graphics is being broken. That's the sign of the times. That's how you know something's wrong. So we've got our first indication here that things are shutting down. Because look at that. Do you see that graphical glitch? It's beautiful. So that's the first indication something's going down here in a bit. That is our first real clear indication. And our cursor is not going to move at all. I think it's 100% dead at this point. You gotta wait probably 12 minutes for it to move. Alright, first graphical glitch. I don't know. Oh, wow. See, the only thing this computer is concentrated on right now is command prompt replicating itself over and over again. And this doing with just command prompt by itself is enough if they don't close on themselves. So there's nothing you can do at this point. If I did Control C, it wouldn't do anything. Let's see. If 21 have been open, and each of those 21 also open 21, and that opens 441. Oh gosh. You know what? I would expect there might be tens of thousands of these command prompts running right now. I don't know. I'm not trying to overdo it, but considering the math here, it's probably, I don't know, it's probably really bad right now. It's probably getting there. Let's feel how hot this thing is. This thing's probably, it's getting kind of hot here. Whew. I would do not do this on a computer you care about. I mean, it's not like it's gonna corrupt anything, I don't think. But there's always a possibility of that. So everything is done right now. I can imagine putting this in sleep mode, turning it on, fresh crash, just fresh, loading it up from sleep. I don't even want it. Is that even possible right now? I don't know if that's even a thing considerable. Putting in sleep and then turn it back on and it's still doing this. Okay. Nothing is working. Can't move the cursor. Yeah, this thing is breathing. I call it breathing when it's... That's breathing pretty good. It's breathing pretty good. That's what I need to do. That's what I need to do. Nothing new. Yet. Nothing new. Yet. Oh, hey, whoa. Hey, check that out. We got a message. Focus. It's not gonna focus. Your computer is going to crash. That's what it says. If this camera would focus, you would see it, but it won't. But it's there. It's starting to talk to me. My computer's talking to me now. I wonder why, of all times, now the text shows up on these two boxes. I wonder just why, why is this possible that it just decided, you know what, hey, we're going to put the text on your screen this time. Let's see how this is doing. It's feeling hotter. This is really stupid. Don't ever do this at home. It's really dumb. It's not smart. This would make a terrible prank, though, for someone. Of course, somebody's probably gonna do it, and that's on your own hands here. Because it's really dumb. At this point, I can't turn off the computer. I can't navigate. The earlier you navigate, the better. And at this point, I'm not going to be able to naturally shut this off. I could pull the power, but I'm not going to pull the power. We gotta see what results we get. Waiting. This is a very anticlimactic show here. Very anticlimactic.